It's so nice to meet you.
Oh,
yeah.
so nice to meet you too.
Oh, wow, what is
Turtle
this?
pillow. You know how to put it on?
Jaw or shoulder, place here. This is brilliant. Oh my goodness, I could literally fall asleep. Turtle love to explore new cultures, and at this time of year, we have challenged you to create a festive meal from around the world with no recipe.
I'm up for the challenge, if you are.
Well, you could cook. I can't even cook with a recipe. So step 1, log into Turtle's festive food blog post. Pick a festive course of your choice. Pick wisely, as you'll be attempting to cook this today. I see Mexico. We are so doing in Mexico. Use the ingredients laid out in the kitchen, and that's what we have to make the dish with.
Okay.
Great.
Challenge accepted.
Let's go do it, sister.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay. This is the starter.
Oh, this is the starter.
Okay, so Mexican salad. So what we've got, according to this list... Okay, so I think first things first, we should segment the oranges. I know that you did come dine with me, so not too shabby to come second behind Nikki Clark, right?
It was pretty awesome.
How come you do it so perfectly?
I didn't.
You said you don't know how to do it.
Oh, look at that grapefruit.
Wow,
This looks
gorgeous.
amazing.
Oh, perhaps an apple, I think.
I have been in London for now since '96. My kids are like, Mommy.
But you know what? What they say is before they learn how to speak, children learn how to speak, whichever country they're from, they'll pick up that accent.
I love the English accent. I think the Americans love the English accent.
They do indeed, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like I went to New York and it was like, say that again.
Exactly.
Say that again.
Exactly.
I'm like, okay. Can I have my ice cream? Okay, so what I'm going to do next is going to get you started on the pomegranate, while then I'm going to cut the radishes.
How do I get the seeds out of there? Oh, look at
You can actually feel it coming
this
through.
This is a great tip. I love pomegranate juice. Do I know where they're from? Are you kidding me? No. Maybe Iran.
Excellent. So I've also put in the radishes.
Rinse this off before I get it all over my bellman sweater.
Could you zest 2 limes? So
Zest?
zest. Okay.
What's a zest? Oh, peel it. Grate it.
Don't you, when you go abroad and eat local foods, don't you go, oh, I wish that I could recreate that?
Yogurt with honey, salt and pepper.
And citrus, I'm
This
not sure.
and cilantro. I'm not sold. Smell is like orgasmic. It's so good. This is Mexico.
We're going to make the dressing now.
Okay. Yogurt.
And then add your lime juice.
Did you put honey in that yogurt concoction?
Maybe. Just try that one. Just try that. No? Yes? No? Okay.
That is not bad. That's actually pretty good. Actually, I am absolutely shocked with that yogurt concoction.
Wow.
So much flavor. There's so much flavor in it, huh?
And a lot going on.
This is a big one. Okay, watch out. You think I could do it? I could do it.
That is.
That yogurt is unbelievable.
Okay.
That is delicious. Actually, I love the yogurt. Boy, we did pretty good. High five.
High five.
High five, sister.
Well
We did good.
I won't high five you right now.